Guys, and welcome to the new lecture. In this lecture we are going to learn some jQuery effects, and first we are going to work on the fade in or fade out. So right over here inside the function I'm going to write dot box dot fade out, and this should be inside these two parentheses. We are going to assign the milliseconds. There should be 2000, right? So semicolon. So I'm going to save the file, and when I'll refresh the page, you guys will notice that it has all the boxes have been fade out. So this is how the fade out works, and if we want to do some chaining over here, then fade in and do the same with 2000 and millisecond. I have allotted the millisecond 2000 over here, and the fade out as well 2000. So when I will refresh when I will click the click me button, then first the boxes will fade out, and after that the boxes will show up again because we have used the chaining fade in property, fade in method at the end of the So when I click the page, you guys have noticed that it has disappeared, but now it has shown. So guys, these are the two effects of jQuery, and we can use the fade toggle as well if we want 2000. And when I will save the file, and I'll refresh the page, you guys will notice that it will toggle the effect. So it has disappeared now, but when I will click the button back, then it will show me up again. So guys, this thing is working perfectly fine. So in this lecture we have learned that how to use jQuery effects, right? So in the next lecture we are going to work on different methods. So till then, stay tuned and have a nice day.